So hello everyone, welcome back to Manila, London. So yesterday we made a burger and also the dinding. So I was planning to make today a sausage roll. So this is going to be first time that I'm going to make sausage roll. I'm going to try and hopefully Steve will like it and Lexber and also Steve mom and dad because Steve mom is coming tomorrow and I would like to have a special snacks for her. So I'm going to the garden and we are going to get some ingredients. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo sa garden at mag-harvest ako ng konting lang, tawag dito, onion. So, may onion tayo sa garden eh. Ayan. Ang ating onions. So, mini-mini mo. Dapat, ito na, siguro malaki. Ay. Ako, mahirap bunutin kasi basa siya, umuulan eh. Ako baka mahirap anihin. Ayun. Oh my God, ang laki. Pwede na. Ang laki naman, pwede na to. Tingnan mo ang dahon, ang ganda. Ay. Ang dami kong kalat. So, babalatan natin ang onion. Masarap siya pang pang gisa. Fresh na fresh. Ay. Naku po. Sayang yung dahon. Pero kailangan ko nang itapon. Sayang naman siya, oh. Medyo, naman na siya, magulang. Hindi na pwede. I harvest onion because I'm going to make chicken pastry again. Pero gusto ni Steve yung may sauce. Gagawa ako ng pork sausage roll. Dami ko hugasin. So, I'll do that later on. So, meron na ako ditong nakat na carrots. Hindi pala. Nabalatan na carrots. So, gagawin natin yan. So, ingredients din na kailangan ko ay bacon. Magbe-bacon. Kailangan siya sa sa sausage roll. Hindi ko alam kasama pala siya. So, ang gagawin ko, I'm going to make it slice it in. Yan. Kailangan, siya, finely chops. So, tapos na, lalagyan na natin. Ayan, hinugasan na natin, malinis na. At maghihiwa naman tayo ng carrots. I'm just going to chop this in square or small pieces para ilalagay natin siya sa ating electric na chopper natin. So, ilalagay lang natin lahat. It's nice to chop it thinly so you're not going to see it inside the sausage roll later on. So, ang mga raw or mga gulay natin ay we are going to saute mamaya. So, kailangan you have to chop them finely thin or very small cuts. Especially ang onion, so you're not gonna see it. Especially Steve, he doesn't like vegetables. Para maitago natin, so kailangan natin finely chop. To make our job easier, gumamit na kayo ng food chopper or food processor. Ang garlic natin ay from the garden. So let's start cooking. So guys, uunahin natin ang bacon. So we don't need oil. Mag-oil na siyang kusa. Nagtutubig na siya pero papatuin natin siya. Kailangan siya maging brown at malutong. When it turns to a little bit brown, you can add garlic na ating hinarvest at na-chop kanina. So, para mabango ang ating sausage roll. Okay lang po na maraming garlic. Mas marami, mas masarap. At mas malasa. So, susunod naman natin ang ating carrots. Finely chopped. Hindi ko siya nilagay lahat. Baka sobrang marami ng carrots. Ayan, ating sage. And also salt. Magkalalagay din tayo ng pepper. So, kailangan maraming pepper para medyo a little bit spicy. And then, pag natapos, iset aside nyo lang. Let it cool about 30 to an hour. And then, once na malamig na po siya, ilalagay na natin ang ating giniling or ang ating pork mince. So, minced pork. So, we are going just to combine everything. And also, again, we'll add salt and pepper kasi we added ang ating pork. So, pagkatapos niyan, Worcestershire sauce. Tama ba yung pronounce ko? Mga 1 teaspoon. Parang napadami yata ako. Pero maliit lang naman ang butas eh. Then, eggs. I use 2 eggs. You can use 3 as well. Pero, kalahating kilo lang itong aking pork. Pero, magdadagdag tayo ng another kalahating kilo o 500 grams para mas madami, di ba? Kasi marami din akong nabili na pangbalot. So, ayan, we all combine na. Sinali natin sa mas malaking lalagyan. Kasi nga naman, ay, maliit po ang ating bowl na nagamit kasi dinagdagan natin. So, haluin nyo lang until everything incorporated at tayo mag-umpisa magbalot mamaya. Ayan ang panko breadcrumbs ang gamitin ninyo para mas masarap. Tapos, konting cornstarch para siya, magbuo lang ng konti. Ayan. So, mix lang natin siya until all combined at atin nang uumpisahan mag-wrap. Ito po, ang tawag ay puff pastry. Hindi na ako nagmasa. Meron namang nabibili sa store na ready-made na puff pastry. So, lalagay lang natin ang meat sa gitna. So, bale, hinati ko siya sa dalawa, itong puff pastry na to para makagawa tayo ng 2 rolls. And syempre, para special, meron din tayong i-add na cheese. Pwedeng mozzarella cheese or mild cheese, kahit ano pwede. And then, i-wash lang natin ang egg inside or ibabrush ninyo. Yan. And then, i-roll natin siya mamaya. Be generous sa pag-wash ng ating egg kasi mas madami, mas masarap. At saka para mas madikit siya. Ayan, i-roll nyo lang siya until you reach yung kabila. Ayan. So, maro-roll mo na siya. Madali siyang i-roll kapag nalagyan mo siya ng egg para magdikit siya talaga. Ayan. Ang ganda. And then, gagawin din natin yung isa. So, second part, para alam nyo kung anong aking ginawa. Kailangan magkasya ang inyong puff pastry at magdikit. Alam mo yon. So, ayan, egg wash again. And then, i-roll mo lang siya dahan-dahan. Again, nag-add tayo ng cheese para mas masarap. Diba? Delicious. So, you can slice it very small or you can slice it like 3 inches. Parang ito 1 inch lang para small bite or 1 bite only. So, parang nagtatry lang ako, try and error. Then, ibabrush mo lang ulit siya para mas maganda at mas malutong ang kakalabasan. You can cut them into different shape kung anong shape ang gusto ninyo. Pero, kasi first time ko, magta-try pa lang ako. So, later on, maybe second time or third time, I can make some different shape. Ayan, nag-add din tayo ng roasted sesame seeds. Mas masarap siya kapag may sesame seeds. Ito pang isa natin. At ikakat ko siya ng mas malaki, yung normal sausage roll. So, pag-aapatin ko, 5 lang ang hati. Ayan, 5 cuts. After cutting, you can just slice it on top. Very fine. Huwag mo siyang paabutin sa meat. Parang design mo lang siya. You can design anything that you like. But for me, my first time, so this is very experiment and for the first time. And then you are going to brush again with egg yolk or the whole egg para hindi na masayang. And then after this, you can freeze or you can put in the oven straight away. Ayan, tapos na. I'm so happy how it turns out. And I made a lot. I told you 500 grams is not enough. That's why I add another 500 grams. So, marami tayong makakain and also we can share to your family, to your friends, to your neighbors. And you can freeze them. You can, stock talaga siya. And you can eat later on. So, marami tayong nagawang sausage roll. You can put in the fridge, just I did. So, the next day, you can thaw o yung palamigin mo siya or i-defrost and then you put in the oven just like this. Kasi may bisita kami. Steve Mom is here. We will have coffee or tea with sausage roll. Ayan o, perfect. So, the right one is the chicken and the left is the pork sausage.
Look! 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 Oh, nice. Stephen said it's 9-hour flight.
Wow.
So we're going to have 2 whole days travelling. Which is not good. I said maybe might really go on a Saturday to Friday maybe. Try, one sausage roll and 1 chicken please, that's all.
This one, that's yours.
I want 2 sausage rolls.
Why?
Because I won't be able to eat 2. But yeah, if you could take a couple back for Harry, that would be great.
Yeah,
thank you.
I'll
Take that's all I want, thank you.
Okay.
I don't eat a lot really.
That's one for Steve. That's one ketchup. I'll try one each.
Alright, well that would be enough.
Find it. I don't know where to put
That would be enough.
I'm cooking for the next batch because I would like to Stella to take some for Harry.
This sausage roll.
Yeah.
This sausage roll is very nice.
How would you rate?
Better than Greg's. This is 10.
10. Yee, my first time. Look at that meat.
Very fluffy pastry. Very nice sausage. It's good.
Good. 10 out of 10. Good. Wow, the second batch is perfection. Oh wow! Looking good. Perfect ang kanyang pagkakaluto. Very brown and just right. Okay guys, I'm going to try the small one that I put last in the oven. Ooh, look at that! It's gonna be crumbly. It's really nice. Oh my god, look. You can see that? Wow. Delicious. Yay! I love it. I love it. It's really good. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Perfect.
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.